Do you have greasy parts just like this one? Are you looking for a faster resolution that saves you a lot of time and a lot of money? Vapor Honing Technologies has the answer for you. This is our Hydroblast parts washer. This is a manual setup, but I'm gonna explain why this machine is so much quicker than others you may find out there. So this machine is a 220 single phase. It works off of heated water like many other parts washers do out there. But the cool thing about this machine is it has 12 to 1700 PSI. With a variable PSI with the gun setting that you're using, you can either use a jet or a fan spray, but that's gonna give you that quickness, that speed that you're looking for to get parts like this one done a lot quicker. Inside, you're gonna see two of the 2-foot LED light strips. It does have an internal drying nozzle. It does have a wiper on it for more visibility in the cabinet. And you want to use an aqueous-based detergent with this machine. So water-based detergent that's gonna get your parts degrease, degrime, take oil off, take clumps of grease off. If you're looking for a machine to do this really quickly, this machine is for you. We have a variation of sizes with this machine, up to 60 by 48 by 38, all the way down to this size, which is our 33 by 30 by 28. But let's let the machine speak for itself and let's do some work on this piece. All right, so we're back after about 2 to 3 minutes of work on this piece. You can see that there is no more oil, no more grease just sitting there like there was before. Again, all this is using is high pressure, heat, and aqueous-based detergent and water to get these parts clean. There's a lot of different uses for this and a vapor honing machine at the same time. Give us a call here. Again, our number is 828-202-5563.